When do we decide to transfuse packed red blood cells? In general, the magic number for the hemoglobin threshold for transfusion is 7. However, some scenarios will be stricter or more lenient than others. For example, an ICU patient who is hemodynamically stable would technically need a hemoglobin of less than 7 grams per deciliter to warrant a PRBC transfusion. However, our threshold is more lenient for, say, a patient who has acute myocardial infarction. Just a hemoglobin of less than 10 would be enough to make the transfusion warranted. As always, it's a case to case basis, and the numbers are merely guides, never a replacement for clinical judgment.